Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Next.js full stack application which has actually a JSON editor which can format your JSON with syntax highlighting. We are running this application on localhost 3000 and it actually is a full JSON editor. We can actually format, compare, differentiate between different JSON files as well. So it's a full stack application. This is the full directory structure. If you are interested in uh, getting the full source code, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. So this is actually the full directory structure. All the files are coded is split it across multiple components. So each component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. So as you can see, it's a full stack project. I developed this from scratch. So if I show you the package.json file, we are actually using the latest version of Next and React. And for building this, we are using Redux UI. And we have also used Monaco editor syntax highlighting as well. So we are running this project. As you can see, we are running it locally. So npm run dev. So this has started the local development server. So if I show you the actual application, so once you load, you have the option to actually upload a JSON file or you can paste an example as well. So it will look something like this. You have various themes available for you. You can choose any theme here by simply toggling, just selecting any of the themes. You have also the light theme as well. So it actually shows the JSON in a very detailed syntax highlighting way in the right hand corner of the screen. You can copy, format it. So if you, for some reason, if your JSON is not formatted, you can actually click the button here, escape string, everything you can do with a single click. So on the right hand side, you will see the well formatted JSON. You will be able to syntax highlight, just see all the properties. We also have the option to actually fetch the JSON from a URL as well. So if you're working with the API, you click this option, you paste the URL and click fetch JSON. So it will actually fetch the JSON from the API instantly. All the things are doing it in the background. So it actually pasted the JSON from the URL, and then on the right hand side you can actually download the formatted JSON as a different file. So if you click the download button, so now here, from here you can specify what JSON you want to download, pretty JSON, minified, standard, so everything you can say, and you can give it a name and click on download button, and now all the JSON will be minified. So you will see that you can be it can be able to minify JSON, format JSON as well. So it's really full stack application. From here you can select whatever thing. You can even convert this into a CSV file, TypeScript file as well. Simply select here, and now it will convert this JSON into CSV comma separated values. So it's an all-in-one application. It will save you a lot of time. I developed this application from scratch. So you will see all the things are divided into its appropriate TypeScript file. So it will be easy for you to customize this or add additional features as well. So as it will ready-made available, so you can just see it's also easy for you to deploy this application as well. And then we also have the option, if you have a local file that is available, then that local file you can even upload that as well. So now as you can see, if you have a local JSON file that you want to format, you basically select the file, it will show you the live preview, and then you can have all these options available. And then we also have the option, the editor, for comparing different JSON files side by side. So from here you can compare like this. So you can compare multiple JSON files with this all-in-one full stack Next.js editor. So it will specifically highlight the properties which are different here. So as you can see, it will specifically highlight if you want to compare different JSON files. So it's an all-in-one editor. You can actually JSON difference and compare editor. So side by side, you can actually compare multiple JSON files here within syntax highlighting, as you can see right here. So if you're interested in this, you can definitely purchase this full project. And if you still face any issues in running this project, you can contact me. I will definitely help you. So it's an all-in-one JSON editor. As you can see that you can upload a file as well. So now, as you can see, so it's an all-in-one editor. You can basically choose with any theme, fonts, color, font sizes, font family. So different font family are, so whatever thing that you like here, you can do this. So it will auto format, syntax highlight your JSON, make your JSON readable. It also has the light, dark theme as well, so you can see that. So it will, if you have a complex JSON, then you can actually use this application. So it's entirely built in Next.js. So Monaco editor, we have used the library. So if you're interested in this, the link is given in the description. You can purchase this.